To find out who is calling and why before you pick up a call, you can use the call screen feature on your Pixel phone. To enable call screen, open the phone app. At the top right, tap the three dots. Tap Settings. Then tap Call Screen. Turn on Automatically Screen Calls. You can set your protection level based on how you want Google Assistant to screen your calls. Maximum protection will screen all unknown numbers. Medium protection will screen suspicious calls and decline spam, or basic will decline only spam. When you receive a call, you may see the option to screen the call. Tap Screen. You'll see a transcript of the conversation between Google Assistant and the caller. To pick up the call, at the bottom, tap the green phone icon. To hang up on the caller, tap the red phone icon. You can also have Google Assistant report the call as spam, ask for more information, ask the caller to call you back, and more.